My name's David. I'm the pastor of a church. I give MediaShout a 4, and for more reviews like this, click below. Before MediaShout, we were using PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint, and PowerPoint's a very powerful tool. MediaShout enabled us to integrate scripture, song lyrics. It easily enabled us to build a timeline and move through those things. It also did integrate with PowerPoint. So when we built PowerPoint slides around lessons and sermons, it could easily take those and operate them. But MediaShout just was a better environment for our tech team than PowerPoint. For us, MediaShout was a great starter on worship leadership software. And it was easy to train our crew. It worked well, and it integrated with PowerPoint well. So that enabled us to get up to speed and do professional things very quickly. Getting started with MediaShout was easy. It was, if you had any knowledge of PowerPoint whatsoever, it was very easy to get it up and going and broadcasting. If you're considering going on board with MediaShout, I recommend that you research all of the products. You will find that MediaShout is the easiest to onboard, to train. The features are very, at this point, a lot of those worship softwares are the same, but the features are very competitive with all of the leaders, and MediaShout is a leader. It's a great software to have.